Improving posture is crucial for overall health and well-being. Whether you're working long hours at a desk, sitting for extended periods, or simply want to look more confident, good posture is essential. Poor posture can lead to various issues like back pain, muscle strain, headaches, and even breathing difficulties. The good news is that you can take steps to improve your posture, and exercise plays a key role in this. In this video, we'll discuss some effective exercises that can help you stand tall, reduce pain, and feel more comfortable in your body. Good posture helps distribute your body weight evenly, reducing strain on muscles and joints. It can prevent or alleviate back and neck pain, and also improve circulation and breathing. Posture is often associated with confidence. Standing or sitting up straight can actually help you feel more energetic and positive, while slouching can sometimes lead to feelings of fatigue or low mood. Common issues like forward head posture, rounded shoulders, or excessive curvature of the lower back often occur due to prolonged sitting or incorrect body alignment. Your core supports your spine and helps maintain balance. Strengthening these muscles is crucial for overall posture. Weak upper back muscles contribute to rounded shoulders and poor posture. Tight hip flexors can pull the pelvis forward, leading to a sway back posture. Tightness in the chest and weakness in the neck can cause forward head posture and tight neck muscles. Begin in a push-up position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It strengthens the entire core, which helps stabilize the spine and maintain a proper posture throughout the day. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Gently raise your arms to open the chest and hold for 20-30 seconds. It relieves tightness in the chest and shoulders, counteracting rounded shoulders and improving upper body posture. Sit or stand tall. Place both hands behind your head and gently lean backward, arching your upper back. Return to neutral and repeat. It improves mobility in the thoracic spine, helping to straighten the upper back and reduce slouching. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. It strengthens the lower back and glutes, which supports proper pelvic alignment and overall posture. Sit or stand with your arms at your sides. Pinch your shoulder blades together, then slowly release. Repeat for 10-15 reps. It improves shoulder blade mobility and strengthens muscles responsible for pulling the shoulders back, counteracting slumping. Lie on your stomach, hands placed near your shoulders. Push through your palms and lift your chest off the ground, extending your back. Hold for 20-30 seconds. It stretches the lower back and strengthens the muscles along the spine, helping counteract the effects of sitting for long periods. Stand with your back against a wall, arms in a W position. Slowly raise your arms, sliding them along the wall until they form a Y shape, then lower them back down. It improves shoulder mobility and helps strengthen the muscles of the upper back, preventing slouching. Gently tilt your head forward, back, and side to side, holding each position for 15-20 seconds. It relieves tension in the neck and upper back, which can often be a result of forward head posture. Set reminders throughout the day to check and correct your posture. Little adjustments can make a big difference. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, even if it's just for 10-15 minutes. Consistency is key. Adjust your desk and chair setup to ensure your posture remains neutral while sitting. Ensure your screen is at eye level and your feet are flat on the ground. Conclusion: improving your posture is a gradual process, but with consistency, you can see lasting results. Regular exercise, targeting your core, back, shoulders, and neck, will help restore balance to your body, reduce discomfort, and improve both your physical and mental well-being. Remember that posture is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and preventing long-term health problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Stay active and take care of your body.